my kitchen. So today I'm going to share with you this awesome oats, pumpkin and coconut cake with you. So please do subscribe to my channel, like this video for me, click on the notification bell, share and leave a comment. So let's get started. I'm going to use 6 eggs for this. Okay, and so I'll be mentioning the ingredients plus the quantities as I add them one after the other. I just added my milk and I'm adding 125 ml of coconut oil. Yes, and the milk too is 125 ml. So this is pumpkin puree. I cooked the pumpkin and then I mashed it myself. So I'm just measuring it, then I will add it to it. So I added 1 cup. I'm adding extra 1 cup also to it. I'm adding honey. I'm not using sugar for this. So I'm going to measure 2 of the 125 ml honey to it. You can substitute it with sugar and that'll be okay. So please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. And I'm adding flavor to it, multi-fruit flavor, and I'm also adding strawberry one to it. You can use one of them. You can also use vanilla flavor and that'll be okay. So I'm going to whisk everything, combine them very well. If today is your first time on my channel, I want to say welcome, and also want to say that please don't leave without subscribing and clicking on the notification bell. Okay, so I'm going to add my oat flour. This is 3 cups of the cup that I used to measure the pumpkin puree. That's 3 of that. Then I blended into powder. I grinded into powder form, and I'm adding 2 of that cup also as raw oats to it. I just added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and this is 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, and I'm adding nutmeg, 1 tablespoon of nutmeg to it. So we are mixing everything together, and then after I'll take it to the whisk and then use the electric mixer to mix it very well. So I added a pinch of salt to it. Just adjust the quantity of the salt to your preference. Okay, so this is coconut flakes, or yes, grated coconut, and I'm adding that one also to it. Please like this video, share and leave a comment as well. So I added a few of the coconut, grated coconut. So I'm adding a mixture of seeds, that is pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds and raisins also to it. And then I'm going to mix everything together. So I first used 4 eggs. Okay, so I'm adding the 2 to it, because the 4 eggs would have been okay, but I decided to add the 2 to it so that it will be a bit fluffy for me. So I'm going to whisk that and incorporate everything in there. And then the next thing we're going to do is I've lined my baking pan with parchment paper, and so I'm going to pour everything into the baking pan and then bake it. So we are done. Okay, So I'm just going to scoop. And I have another baking pan also there, because this baking pan won't be able to take everything. So I have another baking pan. We will add the rest to the other baking pan. And I'm going to bake this in my gas oven. I'm going to set it very low so that it will take its time to bake. Yes. So if you are using an electric oven, you can set it to 175 degrees Celsius. Yes, you can set it to 175 and then bake it for 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm just sprinkling some of the seeds and then some of the grated coconut, and I also add some of the, how do you call it, the raisins to it. But you can still mix everything. This one is for just presentation purpose. Yes, then we are going to bake this. Please like this video, share and leave a comment for me. Okay, so our baking is done, and this is our pumpkin cake. Yes, you see, looking beautiful and sumptuous. Yes, the other one too is coming. Yes, you see. This, in this video, we are not going to cut it because this one is for it's for someone, so we'll not cut it. Okay, so this is it, our pumpkin coconut cake. Yes, thanks so much for watching. Okay, try this recipe. You are going to love every bit of it. Okay, give it a try. Thanks so much. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.